drive the 2016 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, power sunroof, rear wiper, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat, rear defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.